In your path, roll it up, take a puff, I get you hard, then the grass that you be smoking. No bragging, no boasting, it comes with the lotion to hydrate your soul, hydrate your mind, and be the personification, a reincarnation of what used to be a united black nation. Elevation's what I'm preaching, concentration's what you need, never deceive it, never mislead it. Comes with the warning, I won't say it twice, I ain't always nice, I put up a fight if you try to.